Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today, we're going to be making a card using some items from the brand new Sale-A-Bration Brochure and the January to June 2021 mini catalog. Okay, and since we can show the inside, I'm going to go ahead and open and show you what we're going to be using. Today, we're going to be using the Paper Blooms Designer Series paper, which is a free item when you purchase at least $50 in product. That means before shipping and tax. And I just want to point out an error here in the catalog, in the brochure. It says it coordinates with the Pretty Perennials. As you can see, I crossed mine out, and it actually coordinates with the In Bloom bundle, which is on page 45 of the mini catalog, okay? And we are going to be using something from the In Blooms bundle. We're going to be using the Pierced Bloom dies. I made a mistake and put in the die number instead of the bundle number, so I don't have the stamp set yet, but that's okay. In the Sale-A-Bration catalog, we're also going to be using the Punch Party stamp set to do our stamping. And this is a free item when you host a party or place an order of $300 or more. And that's also before tax and shipping. So if you place an order of $300 or collect orders from friends and family and it totals to $300, you can get this for free. It's not going to be one of your, affect any of your choices for your Sale-A-Bration items. This is strictly for hosts. Okay? So let's go ahead and show you that paper. I've cut my paper down to 4 by 6. So these are just little sheet samples. This paper does come 12 by 12. It's some very pretty paper. I love it. And I don't usually like too many floral papers, but this one is really pretty. Then the back side, if you don't want the floral, you have options. Options and more options. Let me tell you, the colors in this paper are Night of Navy, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Rococo Rose, Seaside Spray, Soft Sea Foam, and White. Okay, so that's what we have in here. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have all of my stuff already cut and prepared to go. Let me show you that stamp set again, because I showed you in the catalog, but you can see it better here. Okay, so I've already done all of my cutting. This is the die set, the Pierced Blooms dies. And that's what we're going to be using a lot of dies out of there. And then I also used this die from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. Okay. And let's go ahead and get started. I have a card base here that is 5.5 by 4, 5.5 by 11. No, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Goodness. My pieces are dropping here. Then I have some Night of Navy that is 5 1/4 by 4. And my designer paper I cut down to 5 by 3 3/4. And we're going to go ahead and glue that together. And so we can get this card started here. Just going to place that right in the center of the Night of Navy. And I will have a link in the description below, as well as on my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com, to where you can shop for all the products that are in this video. Okay, and I've already went ahead and done the inside of our card, so we'll go ahead and glue that down as well. Okay, and now let's do a little bit of stamping before we do any more gluing together. We're going to stamp in Night of Navy. Our sentiment we're going to be using is this one. Heartfelt thanks for everything. Okay. And we have a little label from the Pierced Bloom dies. I'm just going to try to get this straight on here so that my stamping will hopefully be straight. I have that already put on my block here. And I'm going to try to stamp this as close to the middle as I can. That looks pretty good. I had an extra one just in case I messed up, but that looks pretty good. Okay, we're going to set that for a second, and we're going to get some dimensionals and pop this label up. That label is Night of Navy, and that again is from the Stitch So Sweetly dies. I'm just going to use a couple of my edges here from my dimensionals because I'm down to the last of the sheet. Actually, I think I want to put this one in the middle here since this one is a little longer. There we go. And we'll pop this on our card. Try to do it straight. Talking to myself. Then we're going to glue down our sentiment. You don't need a lot of glue. Try to get this center as well. I love this little stitching. This little sentiment die is cute. Okay, well, actually I need my glue still, don't I? So I have a couple of flowers here that I die cut, and they are in Seaside Spray, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Rococo Rose, and Soft Seafoam. Now this little leaf here came from this. This had another set of leaves right here, but I only needed this part, so I cut this one, and I'm going to use it for something else. So we're going to layer some of these flowers together, and this is going to go in the middle of this one. And then we have this tiny little Night of Navy one. Night of Navy. We're going to put that right here. Whoop, come on. Stick to the paper, not my finger. Must have glue on my fingers. Okay, and then we're going to just start putting these on the card. Let me see. I'll put a little glue on this stem because I think I want this coming from here, so it's not going to be tucked in. And we're going to put a little bit of glue on the end of this, what is this, the leaf, and put that right on here. Let me see, this one, I think I want it to go this way. Let me see, because I think I want it here. Don't know. We'll figure it out, because I think I want to pop the flowers up. Yeah, I think I'm going to pop it up. So let me get some glue on these leaves. This one is going to go over here, and I'm going to put one of the leaves coming from this, between these two petals here. And this one is a different leaf than that one. This one's a little fatter, wider. I'm going to put it right here. Whoop. Because they have piercings, the glue was kind of poking through there. So let me get some more of my dimensionals. And I'm going to put one right there. Use another on this side. And that will help also to, they're poking over. I need some scissors. Excuse my reach. Get my gunky scissors to cut sticky stuff. I need to trim those dimensionals down a bit because you can see them from the other side. Then we're going to get a little one, cut a little piece off of this to go on our other flower. Whoop, runaway dimensionals. Oh, the backing didn't come off. I pulled it right off. There we go. Okay, now let's get these laid down on our card. I'm gonna put this one up here in the left-hand corner, hovering or hugging our sentiment here. And this little one, trying to figure out which way I want this. I think I'll just do it like this to go that way. And then to put the final touches on our card, I have some new bling. This is the Pastel Pearls. They come in Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Rococo Rose, and Seaside Spray. These are gorgeous. They go with the sweet of the, what is that flower called? The hydrangea. It's a sweet in the mini catalog. Can't find it right now, but anyway, it's gorgeous as well. I got a couple of things out of that sweet, but not everything. I had to, put a limit on myself. So they're all the same size pearls. So we're just going to take a few of these Seaside Spray pearls and pop them on our card here. So I think I want one here. Let's see. Maybe one there. One more, because you're supposed to put your embellishments in threes. How about if we put it right here in the middle of this one? There we go. That looks good to me. This is the card for today. I love it. I love getting new products. It's fun playing with new stuff. You get new ideas. And this one is a winner. I love it. The colors are so pretty. And I just want you to take note to our host code for the month of January 2021. If you want to place an order to get any of these new items, this is the code that you can use. If you want to order through me, please put this host code in. And that is it, my friends. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell. As always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.